And action. Hello, come on. Oh, that one, okay. And we'll erase what we have from before. Today's lesson, this is a 6th grade version of Excel, lesson 81. We're going to be learning how to calculate decimal answers in division problems when zeros are needed to be added to the right end of the dividend. So first of all, you guys need to be reminded that the number 7 is the same thing as 7.0. Emma, you might want to move over. That's not going to be very good to see because I can't really, I'm not invisible. You guys might want to be right back over there by the couch. 7.00. I can add zeros all day long on here. It does not change the value of this number. Let's get rid of that. Okay, or if I have the number 3.2, that's the same thing as 3.20, right? So you need to know that in order to do these division problems. What we're going to do is learn how to do some division problems that have no remainder. You know on the calculator, when you do a division problem on there, you get an answer that's like 6.8975, all that stuff, instead of having a remainder on there. We're going to show you how the calculator does it. That's what you're going to learn today. This is going to be really handy. You guys are going to need to know this for a lot of math problems for many years to come. Guaranteed. This is a super, super important lesson. So it's a good thing we got it on video. The first example that they give you is 5 divided by 2, which can also look like this. Now, back in the old days, we would do 5 divided by 2 as 2 remainder 1. Right? Well, we can actually get an answer that has a decimal answer. So we go 5 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 2, of course, is 4. I'm going to do it the long division way. That's a 1. Well, instead of putting remainder 1, let's put 0.0 on there, and then we can bring down an extra 0. So 2 goes into 10. Make sure that we put the decimal point straight up. That's why we have to keep our numbers lined up. Without that decimal point, it's the wrong answer. Consensus, if you don't have a decimal point there and your neighbor does, you don't agree with each other. It's got to be in the exact same place. It's got to be there clearly marked. So 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5. 5. So the answer is 2.5 for that one instead of 2 remainder 1. How about the next one? 7 divided by 4. 7 divided by 4. 4 goes into 7 how many times? 1. Okay, what can I put after the 7? 0. Good, bring down the 0. 7 goes into 30 how many, or 4 goes into 30 how many times? 7. 7. 4 times 7 is? 28. Subtract and get? 2. Bring down the? 0. Make another 0. We can do this all day long. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5. 5. And it goes in evenly, of course. So the answer is 1.75. I want you to understand the relationship between that answer and what you already know how to do. And that is this. You already know how to do 7 divided by 4 like this, which is equal to 1 3/4. Right? Well, look at that answer and look at 1.75. See how those are basically the same thing? 1.75 and 1 3/4. Okay, let's do number 3. Go ahead and do that yourself. I'm going to be doing it on the board while you're trying it. You guys at home do number 3. It's 14 divided by 8. Of course, they also have a spot where you check it. You should be checking your answer. Make sure it comes out right. And since these two match up, you can feel pretty confident about your answer. Are these easy?
Yeah.
Okay, just do number 4. You guys at home might want to pause the video while you're trying number 4. Okay, so number 4 is, in case you don't have that, number 4 is 19 divided by 5. Try that one. Alright, so here's the solution for number 4. 5 times 3 is 15. You guys can keep working. Bring down a 0. 5 goes into 40 8 times. Check it. And we're doing 5 and 6 now. Do numbers 5 and 6.